Fox 2 viewers have been calling us with questions all day about the governor's order and how it applies to their job. Many want to know if they still have to show up for work if their boss says they do. Fox 2's Rob Wolchek is getting some answers tonight.
You earn a good living, and you're afraid if you say, I'm not coming to work, you're going to lose your job?
Correct.
This worker, who's afraid to show her face on camera, is just one of many who've contacted me wondering about rights they have not to come to work, even though their job is now considered essential.
If you have some symptoms, if you need to be quarantined at home for medical reasons, you are protected under the Michigan Disabilities Discrimination Act and the American with Disabilities Discrimination Act.
But most of the people I've spoken with feel fine. They're just weighing what's more important, their jobs or their health. You work at the local drugstore. You're not a pharmacist. You're the friendly face that greets people when they come in and rings up their orders. This place is going to stay open, according to the governor. So what happens if you decide, I don't want to come to work, I'm too scared? Well, you may be out of luck, and you may be out of your job.
Your average Michigan employee, where the presumption is you are at will, and the employer can fire you for any reason or no reason.
Gordon says you can ask your employer for job protection under the Family Leave Act, which allows for 12 weeks of leave, but that's unpaid leave. Not an option for the woman who's fearful to even go on TV to report her concerns. She needs her job. She's just worried about her safety. You have a job and you have to go to work, correct?
Yes.
And how do you feel about that?
Concerned about my health and others around because people with COVID-19 have been identified in the building.
Another option, you could file for unemployment, but if you leave on your own will, there's no guarantees you'd be eligible.
I can't come in. I'm afraid I'm going to become ill. I'm in a compromised age group or medical condition, whatever it is. I think you're going to be eligible for unemployment benefits. Is that written in the law today? No. Do I think that's going to be interpreted that way? Yes.
We'll see how Michigan businesses respond in this unprecedented time of fear. In Southfield, Rob Wolchek, Fox 2 News.